Hello, kids. I am Wise Bear. Welcome to our magical toy factory. Here, when night falls and all the humans go home, something incredible happens.
Yay! Let's play, everyone.
Vroom, vroom. Who wants to race? But look, we have a new little friend arriving. Hello, everyone. I'm Zico. I am a robot.
Hi, Zico. Do you want to play with us?
I don't know if I can... it seems our friend Zico is a little shy. Hey, let's throw a welcome party for Zico. Yes. And so, the toys began to prepare a big party.
Let's make paper balloons.
I can bring the sweets. A party for me? But what if I do something wrong? Oh, Zico was watching the preparations from afar.
Zico, would you like to help us decorate?
I think I'd better not. I might end up ruining everything. The party was lively, but Zico kept hiding.
Where is Zico? Has anyone seen him?
Let's look in the storage room. So the toys entered the storage room, but then... Oh no, the storage room door closed. We're trapped.
Help! Can someone help us?
Oh no, my new friends are in danger. And then something incredible happened. Don't be afraid. I will save you. Zico took a deep breath and activated his senses. Let's see. This wire here. And this button there. Zico used his robot skills to open the door. Zico! 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 I did it, and it was even fun.
You are amazing, Zico. Thank you for saving us.
That's right, buddy. You're the best robot we've ever met. Thank you, friends. I'm so happy to be part of this family.
Zico, would you like to dance with me?
Of course, I'd love to. And so, children, Zico learned that each of us is special in our own way, and that true magic lies in friendship and the courage to be ourselves. Bye-bye, kids. See you on the next adventure.